When your Braun ThermoScan 7 screen starts flashing, the problem is almost always related to the batteries. Let's explore why this happens and how to fix it. Research shows that battery-related issues cause 85% of all flashing screen problems in the ThermoScan 7. This makes battery troubleshooting your first and most important step. Always use fresh, high-quality alkaline batteries from trusted brands like Duracell or Energizer. These batteries provide the stable voltage your thermometer needs and last much longer than generic alternatives. Make sure you're using the correct battery size. The ThermoScan 7 requires AA batteries, not AAA. Using the wrong size can damage the battery compartment and cause connection problems. Battery corrosion is a major cause of connection problems. Look for white or green residue, powdery deposits, or crusty buildup on the battery contacts. This corrosion blocks the electrical connection and causes unstable power delivery. To clean corroded contacts, first remove all batteries. Use a dry cloth or pencil eraser to gently scrub away the residue. Make sure the metal contacts are clean and shiny before installing new batteries. Never use water or liquid cleaners as they can damage the electronics. The ThermoScan 7 requires exactly 3 volts to operate properly. When battery voltage drops below 2.4 volts, the display becomes unstable and starts flashing. This is why even slightly weak batteries can cause problems, even if they still work in other devices. Follow these steps for the best results. Remove old batteries and wait at least 30 seconds to reset the internal circuits. Clean the contacts if you see any corrosion. Install fresh alkaline batteries with correct polarity. This simple process resolves 85% of flashing screen issues. If replacing the batteries didn't solve the flashing screen issue, the next step is to perform a hard reset. This procedure can reset the internal circuits and resolve many display problems. After removing the batteries, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. This drains any residual power from the internal circuits. Wait 2 minutes before reinstalling the batteries. This waiting period ensures all internal capacitors are fully discharged and the device resets completely. If the hard reset doesn't resolve the issue, environmental factors may be the cause. The thermometer must operate within specific temperature ranges to function properly. Allow the thermometer to acclimate to room temperature for at least 30 minutes before use. Rapid temperature changes can cause display instability. If environmental factors aren't the issue, the problem may be with the display system itself or the device's firmware. Let's examine the statistics for different types of failures. Firmware and calibration issues account for about 5% of cases. These involve corrupted internal data or temperature sensor communication errors. If none of these troubleshooting steps resolve the flashing screen issue, it's time to seek professional help. This is especially true for older devices or those with physical damage. Professional repair services can diagnose complex internal issues and determine whether repair or replacement is the most cost-effective solution for your thermometer.